Hi there. Today we'll explain the next 12 essential IT terms from the Chapter 6.8 Waterfall Methodology in our book. You can find the book linked in the description below. Let's dive in.
Waterfall model, a linear and sequential approach to project management where each phase must be completed before the next begins. We followed the waterfall model to build the banking software with clear, structured stages. Requirement analysis, the initial phase of the waterfall model, involving detailed documentation of project needs and objectives. During requirement analysis, we gathered everything the client wanted in the system. System design, the stage where technical specifications and architecture are developed based on the requirements. Our architects created a detailed system design after locking down the requirements. Implementation, the phase in which developers write code and build the product according to the design specifications. Once the design was approved, our dev team moved into the implementation phase. Testing, a stage focused on identifying and fixing defects to ensure the product meets quality standards. The testing team caught a critical bug before we moved to deployment. Deployment, the process of delivering the completed product to end users or customers. After successful testing, the product was deployed to the client's servers. Maintenance, the ongoing support and updates provided after deployment to ensure the product remains functional and relevant. We offer a 6-month maintenance window to fix any post-launch issues. Sequential phases, a key characteristic of Waterfall, where each phase is dependent on the successful completion of the previous one. Due to sequential phases, we couldn't start coding until all designs were signed off. Fixed scope, the predefined and unchanging scope of work established at the project's start. With a fixed scope, any new feature request required a separate contract. Documentation-centric, a reliance on detailed documentation to guide each phase and ensure clarity. The project was highly documentation-centric, which made handovers easier. Predictability, the high degree of control and clarity provided by Waterfall's structured approach. Waterfall gave us predictability, which the client appreciated for budgeting. Limited flexibility, a drawback of the Waterfall model, as changes or iterations are difficult to accommodate once the project is underway. We faced delays because the model had limited flexibility when client needs changed mid-project.
Hey Jake, have you updated the system design docs yet?
Not yet. We're still finalizing the requirement analysis. Remember, it's waterfall, one step at a time.
Right? Since we've got a fixed scope, we really need to get everything nailed down early.
Exactly. It's documentation-centric, so we can't miss anything.
Once implementation starts, we'll have limited flexibility to change things.
True, but the predictability is nice. We know exactly what's coming next.
After testing, we should schedule deployment as soon as possible. The client is asking.
Got it. And don't forget, maintenance kicks in right after. We need to plan for that too.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.